Stock on market. Stock on market is basically the number of properties for sale in the market. Is basically expressed as a percentage, and it's the number of properties for sale versus total number of properties in that location. A high stock on market basically means that the market is oversupplied, and a low stock on market basically means that there is more demand in that area because the stock's not enough. Look for between 1 to 3%, and 3 or anything greater than 3 is actually too much supply. Less than 1 basically means that you better have a closer look at this suburb. So let's look at some data. This is just data that I found on macro business, and they talk about different cities and the stock on market there. So they talk about the change from October to September. This is 2012, this is 2013, and they've got a monthly change here. So that's what it tells you about. But if you look at there could be anomalies as well in that. So say for example, SQM Research, a really good site. There are quite a few things over there. I will discuss that later on. But for the time being, they talk about how the listings fell during the month, and however it was expected due to multiple long weekends. So you got to understand, if the stock on the market was really low, was there a seasonal anomaly? Was it close to Christmas? A lot of people going on holidays, so not a lot of stock actually went on the market. So these are the factors that you got to look at when you're looking at stock on the market percentage. If you look here, you've got 3%. Darwin looks like it's almost oversupplied. Canberra, Brisbane, Adelaide. But then again, these are full cities. As I said, Melbourne's actually made up of so many different cities. It says Melbourne's oversupplied, but that could be because of the number of apartments that actually were developed in 2012, 2013, and they were coming on the market in the city. It could be because of that reason. And so you gotta zoom in on a suburb and say, okay, what's happening here? And then you look at and listen for all the signals that we've talked about, and then you make your decision.